Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use union and union all set operators in writing select statements. Here as we can see we have a simple practice. Write a query to display a list of jobs for departments 10, 20 and 90. Display job ID and department ID using the set operators. So if we want to solve this query without using set operators, we can just simply write select department underscore ID job underscore ID from table employees, and the condition is where department underscore ID in 10, 20 and 90, and then run the select statement. So this is a list of job IDs in department IDs 10, 20 and 90. But here in the practice, as we can see, we want to solve the query by using set operators. So we can just simply write here select department ID job ID from table employees where department underscore ID equal 10, and here union all, and we can just copy the select statement here and paste it here, and where department ID equal 20, then union all and another select statement that returns the job ID and department ID of department ID 90. So this component query will retain the department ID and job ID of department 10. This component query will retain the department ID and job ID of department number 20, and this component query will retain the department ID and job ID of department number 90. So here we are using union all. That means the output of this component query will be unioned with the output of this component query, and also will be unioned with the output of this component query without removing the duplicates. Let's try to run the select statement here. So as we can see, this is the department ID and this is the job ID, and here this is department ID 20 and this is the job ID on department 20, and also this is the job IDs in department 90. So in this practice we learned how to use union and union all set operators in a select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.